Today, we're discovering the magic of magnets.
Can a tiny magnet really pull things? Let's test it and find out.
A magnet creates an invisible force around it.
Invisible? How can we see it?
We can see what the force does. Scientists predict before they test.
I think the paper clips will stick. I think the pencil will stick.
I think the pencil will stay still.
Wow! Jump to the magnet! That invisible force really works!
Yes, many steel objects are attracted.
Let's test my pencil prediction. Nothing happened. The pencil didn't move.
Right, wood isn't attracted to magnets. Look! The key is moving toward it.
The key is moving toward it. So some keys are magnetic.
Exactly. It depends on the metal. Now let's organize our results.
These objects were attracted, and these ones were not.
Excellent observations.
The magnet isn't touching the paper clip, but the clip is still moving.
That's magnetic force at work.
The paper clip is inside the cup, yet it follows my magnet.
The magnetic field passes through plastic. Magnets have north and south poles.
And they create an invisible magnetic field. Now I understand the magic.
Challenge. Predict before you test.
I think mine will stick. And I think mine won't.
Magnets attract certain materials with invisible force.
Science is fun when we investigate. Keep asking questions and experimenting.